Hello everyone. So today I was trying to look at the research guides for my particular major, which is criminal justice. Um, and in order to access the Wayne State University research guides, I went to library.wayne.edu, and after getting on the website, I simply click research guides, which will take me to this page, and scroll down and I click on criminal justice, which is my major. And then there's two showing guides. I just click on the criminal justice one, and it brings you to the main page for the criminal justice research guides. In the corner, it shows us our liaison librarian is Monique Oldfield. Her contact information, and if I want to schedule an appointment, I can do that over here. On this side, there is departmental information for criminal justice, their contact information, as you can see. And then there's, on the bottom, there's recent faculty publications. So any of the professors that publish any books can be found here. On the side over here, you can see that it has multiple options and pages to take you to. So the first one I will click on is article databases and e-journals, which brings me to this page, and in the middle it will show you the criminal justice databases. It shows on the side, there's some tools on the side to determine whether a source is popular, trade, or scholarly. You can see, click that, there's a document there. If I'm researching a paper, there's some tools over here to help with that. If I want to search up anything on Google Scholar, I can simply type that in here. There's additional databases down here, and then there's criminal justice e-journals on the bottom. On the second page, it takes you to books and ebooks relating to criminal justice. In the middle, it shows you the books. If you want to search up a specific book, you can simply just type it up here. There are ebooks on the bottom. It gives you the publication date. If I click on this, and let's do a different one. If I just click on this, it will bring me to this page, and if I want to cite this book, I can just click this, and it will give me citation information. Let's go back. Going to the next page is professional organizations related to criminal justice. So professional organizations of criminal justice are in the middle. American Correctional Association. And there's professional organizations relating to criminal defense law and prosecution, which is on the bottom right here. And then web resources for criminal justice. There's Michigan websites. There's international criminal justice websites. There is the United States Department of Justice, Justice News, in the corner right here. There are federal websites relating to criminal justice in this corner. There are non-governmental websites on the bottom here. And there's criminal justice statistics pages are links to access over here. And lastly, there is a page for citation style guides, which will just give you simple tools to help you cite your sources or any books that you might use. And it shows you some examples of how a citation should look depending on which style it is based on. There's general citation guides on the side, and there's MLA style guides on the bottom. And then there's AP example handouts, Chicago style examples handout, APA style guides, and then Chicago Turbine style guides. pretty much it. Going back to the main page, this gives you plenty of information for criminal justice, and if I'm writing a paper regarding the topic, this would be a great tool to use. Yeah, so if you ever want to find research regarding your major, definitely visit this website.